In this video, we are going to plant tomatoes in a simple but smart way, so the stems become thick and strong, and later, the plants give you plenty of tomatoes. This method is very easy, but it makes a big difference in how your plant grows. If you do it properly from the beginning, your tomato plant will stand firm and healthy throughout the season. First thing we will do is make big holes in our garden bed. For this, we are using an old plastic pipe. Any strong pipe lying around at home will work. Just push the pipe straight down into the soil about half a foot deep. Twist it a little and then slowly pull it out. When you remove it, some soil will come out with the pipe and you will be left with a clean, deep hole. It is very quick and saves a lot of effort compared to digging with a trowel. If you are planting many tomatoes, this method makes the work much faster. While making holes, keep proper distance between each one. The spacing depends on the variety you are growing. If it is a bush type, you can keep them a bit closer. If it is a tall growing variety that spreads more, give it more space. Proper spacing is important because it allows good airflow. When plants are too close, humidity increases and diseases spread faster. So always give them enough breathing room. Now, once the holes are ready, we will add a handful of compost into each hole. Compost is like natural strength for the soil. It improves soil texture, makes it softer, and helps roots grow easily. It also holds moisture for a longer time, so your plant does not dry out quickly. Compost provides nutrients slowly and steadily, which is very good for tomatoes because they are heavy feeders. Instead of giving all nutrients at once, compost releases them gradually as the plant grows. Along with compost, we will mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder in the hole. Turmeric is easily available in every kitchen, and it works nicely in the garden too. It has natural antifungal and antibacterial qualities. When we mix a small amount into the soil, it helps protect the young roots from fungal infections. Sometimes after transplanting, roots are very delicate and can rot if the soil stays too wet. Turmeric helps reduce that risk. It also keeps harmful microbes under control in the beginning stage. After preparing the hole, we will take our tomato plant. Before planting, remove the lower leaves from the stem. Just keep the top few healthy leaves. Tomatoes have one special quality. The stem part that goes inside the soil can grow new roots. That is why we are planting it deep. Put the plant inside the hole in such a way that almost half of the stem goes under the soil. When you bury the stem deeply, small roots will start forming all along that covered portion. This creates a very strong root system. More roots mean better absorption of water and nutrients. The plant becomes stronger from the base, and over time, you will see the stem becoming thicker and sturdier. A thick stem can support more branches and more fruits without bending easily. After placing the plant, fill the hole gently with soil. Press the soil lightly around the plant so there are no air gaps, but do not press too hard. The soil should remain loose so the roots can spread comfortably. If the soil is too tight, roots struggle to grow. Now give the plant a good watering. Make sure the water reaches deep into the soil. For the next 7 to 10 days, keep the soil slightly moist. Do not let it dry completely, and also do not flood it. During this time, the plant is adjusting to its new place. Sometimes it may look a little dull or slightly droopy. That is normal after transplanting. Just maintain moisture and avoid disturbing the plant.